Understanding, stay mum. Unlock the secrets of English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have heard, stay mum. Let's unravel its meaning together and see how you can use it in everyday conversations. Remember, understanding such phrases can really add a spark to your English communication. Stay mum is a phrase that means to keep silent or not reveal a secret. The word mum in this context is an Old British English term meaning silent or not speaking. This phrase is commonly used in informal contexts and is a part of colloquial language. The term mum as a call for silence dates back to at least the 15th century. It is believed to be derived from the Middle English word mumen, which meant to act in a disguised manner. Over time, mum started being associated with keeping quiet or staying secretive. Let's see some examples to better understand how to use stay mum. 1. In a mystery context, the detective told the witness to stay mum about the details of the case. 2. In a surprise party context, we're planning a surprise party for Sarah, so everyone has to stay mum about it. 3. In a business context, despite the rumors about the new product, the company's CEO decided to stay mum. Understanding synonyms can enhance your vocabulary. Here are some. Keep quiet. Zip one's lip. Hold one's tongue. Keep it under wraps. Keep a lid on it. While stay mum is understood in many English-speaking countries, its usage is more prevalent in British English. In American English, phrases like keep quiet or don't tell a soul might be more commonly used. Thanks for watching. Today, we learned about the phrase, stay mum, which means to keep silent or not reveal information. It's a fun and useful expression to include in your conversational English. Keep practicing. And don't forget to stay mum about those secrets. See you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language. Happy learning!